Hey, what's up, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic. Today I've got a super handy guide for you. We're going to walk through how to upload a video to Google Drive and then share that video with a link. Whether you're sharing memories with family, submitting work for a project, or just backing up your precious moments, Google Drive is a great tool for it. So let's jump right in. All right, the first step is to get your video onto Google Drive. If you're not already here, head on over to drive.google.com. and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. From the drop-down, we're going to select File Upload. This is where you can browse through your computer and pick the video you want to upload. Once you've found your video, click Open or just double-click the file, and there it goes, uploading to your drive. You can see the progress right down here in the bottom right corner. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this might take a little while. All done now. Let's share this video. Find your video in your drive and then right-click on it. You'll see a bunch of options, but we're interested in share. Click on that. This window is where the magic happens. You can directly add people's email addresses if you want to share them with specific folks. But today, we're focusing on sharing with a link, so let's look at this part that says Get Link. By default, it might be set to restricted, meaning only specific people you choose can view it. We want to change that. Click here where it says Restricted, and let's change it to anyone with the link. This means anyone you send the link to can view the video. You can also set whether they can view, comment, or edit. For videos, Viewer is usually the way to go. Now, hit Copy Link, and voila. You're ready to share your video with the world, or at least with anyone you send the link to. Paste it into an email, a chat, or on social platforms. And that's it, folks. You've just uploaded and shared a video on Google Drive. Super simple, right? If this guide was helpful, why not hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks? Do you have any questions or got stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.